Hi, my name is Katie Winter. I'm 20 years old and I am a food co-worker at IKEA Lakeside. I joined the supported internship in September 2019. I studied at college while doing my work placement at IKEA. My job involves serving customers, cash handling, assisting with deliveries, putting stock out, visual merchandising, preparing and ordering the food. My supported internship course was for 9 months. Because I'd done so well, I applied for a job and they interviewed me and I got offered the position. It made me feel proud and excited because I was looking forward to my future with IKEA. Gillian's been amazing since I started the supported internship course, and during the lockdown we kept in regular contact and we've done work together during lockdown to improve my employability skills. My ambition is to experience different departments or possibly to explore managerial roles. I love the people who I work with. Everyone is so supportive and lovely, and I love the work, what I do every day. And I'm proud to say to people that I work in IKEA. South Essex College was a supportive college. I made lots of good friends and the tutors were supportive. All I say to students, just be yourself, be on time and have fun, enjoy yourself.